Examine the customs and laws of different nations, and you will find that though they differ in many respects, they all agree in placing happiness in the enjoyment of tranquility and repose. Constant dripping hollows out a stone. What is food to one is to others bitter poison. Nature does not make leaps. The greatest wealth is to live content with little. Thus we see that the true end of life is not simple existence, but existence coupled with consciousness, existence delighting in itself. The drops of rain make a hole in the stone, not by violence, but by oft falling. The sum of all suns is eternity. From the very fountain of enchantment there arises a taste of bitterness to spread anguish amongst the flowers. Thus religious fear is the inseparable companion of superstition. Death, therefore, the most awful of evils, is nothing to us, seeing that when we are, death is not come, and when death is come, we are not. It is great wealth to a soul to live frugally with a contented mind. When men are oppressed by their surroundings, they are dejected and they fall into a sickness, which the physicians call hypochondria, for which there is no cure. But the philosopher